Hope you are good at home. So, in language, English grammar, you have learned about the nouns, names of places, names of things, names of animals, fruits and vegetables. So many names you have learned. Now, we'll go to a new chapter, new topic, that is picture composition. In picture composition, you will be given one picture. Any picture can be given. Okay. You have to see and watch it very carefully. You love looking at the pictures, so watch this picture also very nicely. And many things will be given and asked. Questions will be asked based on it. So you have to be very vigilant when you are looking at the picture. Don't leave anything. See, I have made one picture on the board, so we will just see what all is in this. Can you see this picture? I think yes. So, what you can see, what are these? These are mountains or hills. What else you can see? You can see there is a sun. Then you can see a tree. Can you see the tree? Have you seen the trees in your house also, near your house, in the gardens? So, this is also a tree. And who is sitting on the tree? Tell me. Yes, it is a bird. Then, this tree is behind this hut. This is a hut. It is found in the villages. So, it has a window also. You can see, you also have windows in your house, in your room. So, in the same way, this hut is also having a window. There is one door. And what are these? Red. These are flowers. Then, there is one girl also, and she is playing with a ball. She is all alone. Fine. This is grass, you can see. What is this? Can you see and tell me? Yes, any guesses? It is a boat. Fine. Now you can see this is a pond. Pond means lake. Piece of water is there. You can see ducks. You can see the ducks. You can also see fish. Not full fish, but you can partly see the fish. So many things are there in the picture. Suppose I ask you, how many ducks are there? Then you will count and tell me 1 and 2. 2 ducks are there. Fine. Then how many fish? Fishes are also 2. Then what is the color of the sun? You can write orange, you can write yellow, both. Fine. And house has how many windows and how many doors? 1 window and 1 door. Fine. And what is this girl playing with? The girl is playing with a cricket bat. No, she is playing with a ball. So you should just watch the video and the picture. You have to see the picture very carefully. Because suppose I give you any word, sun, and there is a fill in the blank. We can see dash in the picture. So what will you write? Sun. You have to use that word. Fine. For this, you should not know these words also. There is one more word. I'll write it here. This is where, W-H-E-R-E, where, what, W-H-A-T, W-H-O, who, W-H-E-N, when, and H-O-W, how. Where means kahan. Okay. Where is the hut or where is the tree? Tree is behind the hut. Fine. Then, what is this picture about? This picture is a scenery. Fine. Then, who all can you see in the picture? Means you have to tell. We can see a girl, we can see a bird, we can see ducks and fish. Then, when is the picture? Means, when does the sun rise? Suppose I ask, sun rises in the night? No, sun rises in the morning. So, you have to write that. When means, I tell you the meaning then. How? How many? Just now I asked you how many ducks you can see. You can see 2 ducks. Fine. Where means kahan. What means kya. Who, kaun. when कब, and how means कितने या कैसे. Understood? So we will be giving you separate pictures. You have to see and answer the questions or fill in the blank. Whatever is been asked, you have to answer that. I hope you have understood. So whenever you see a picture in any of the books, when you read your literature books or EVS books or language books, you should watch the pictures very carefully and understand what is all given in the picture. Okay children, thank you and be safe at home. Bye bye.